Let's make easy Asian-inspired chicken meatballs. Add an egg, panko breadcrumbs, soy sauce, sliced green onions, fresh garlic, fresh ginger, black pepper, canola oil, and sesame oil to a large bowl and mix together well. Add some ground chicken and mix that together. I like using my hands, but you can use a spoon if you want. Scoop the meatball mixture onto a parchment-lined baking sheet and bake in the oven for about 20 minutes. Mix soy sauce and cornstarch in a small pot with sesame oil, sriracha, rice vinegar, and honey. Heat it on the stove until it's nice and thick. Grab your cooked meatballs and add them to the sauce and stir gently to coat them all. I like garnishing these with some fresh green onions and toasted sesame seeds. You can serve these as an appetizer or for a meal with steamed rice, steamed veggies, and the meatballs as the main course. Yum! Get this and more recipes on bowlofdelicious.com.